The Mega Catch DIY CO2 Mosquito Trap. If you have a Mega Catch Premier XC mosquito trap and you want to convert it to CO2, you have the only trap with this capability. Whether it's new or several seasons old, our aftermarket CO2 gas upgrade kit will quite simply transform your XC to Ultra Trap specifications and make it CO2 capable. No surprises, that's why it's called the Transformer Trap. The upgrade kit is simple to install. All you need is a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, plus some Loctite medium-strength thread locker. We'll take you through it step by step. However, you might also find it helpful to refer to the worksheet, which can be downloaded from our online workshop at megacatch.com/workshop. First, you will need to prepare the CO2 gas kit before installing it into the trap. Take the copper coil and apply a small amount of Loctite to the exposed thread. Now, screw the copper coil into the solenoid valve, being careful not to over-tighten. The gas kit can now be installed directly into the trap. No waiting time required as the Loctite will cure inside the trap. Before opening the trap, disconnect the power and place it on a flat surface. If you don't have the original polystyrene packaging, an old towel will stop the trap slipping around and make it easier to handle. Make sure the LCD module is on the side facing down. The trap is held together with 12 screws, 6 in the front and 6 in the back. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 6 screws from the back of the trap first. Now, turn the trap over and remove the 6 remaining screws. Carefully lift the front half of the trap away from the back half. All the cables are color-coded, so it's easy to work out which plug connects to which socket. The front half of the trap should be LCD module side down. Now disconnect the LCD module gray ribbon extension cable. Disconnect the 3 cables from the main wiring loom. Remove the top and bottom plates and set aside. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the rubber plugs. There's 1 large and 4 small plugs located beside the power socket on the back half of the trap. Take the assembled CO2 gas release system and insert the black quick release fitting through the large hole adjacent to the 4 small screw holes. Now, line up the holes on the solenoid valve with the 4 screw holes located inside the back half of the trap. Insert and tighten the 4 stainless steel screws that came with the upgrade kit. Tilt the copper coil back towards the top of the trap to allow easy placement of the top plate. Now, carefully bend the copper capillary tube around until it is facing towards the green dot. You are now ready to reinsert the bottom plate into the back half of the trap. Make sure that the yellow dots line up and the fan and heater cables are positioned above the bottom plate. Now insert the top plate into the back half of the trap. Ensure that the green dots line up. When easing the top plate into position, make sure that the fan and heater cables are located in the side slot of the top plate. The copper capillary tube should be able to slot through the hole in the top plate. The end of the tube is flexible and can be uncoiled and bent to fit through the hole. However, care should be taken not to bend it past 90 degrees, as this could end up restricting the gas flow. Connect all the cables together, including the yellow solenoid cable and LCD module gray ribbon extension cable. Once the yellow wires are connected, the trap software detects the CO2 gas release system and automatically upgrades it to Ultra Trap specifications when the trap is powered up. You're now ready to reassemble the trap. Reposition the rubber seal in the groove around the top of the trap if necessary. With the top and bottom plates in place, replace the front half of the trap. Make sure that each plate slots into the locating ribs. Line up the 12 screw holes. Now replace and secure the screws, making sure not to over-tighten them. To complete the transformation, remove the Premier XC stickers and rebadge your trap with the Ultra stickers that came with the upgrade kit. Finally, connect the power and test the trap. Congratulations! Your newly transformed trap is now ready to connect to a CO2 cylinder. Make sure the washer is in place and screw in the regulator. Finally, attach the gas line to both the trap and the regulator. For instructions on how to operate your newly transformed trap, refer to the Ultra manual that was also included with the upgrade kit.